Hey everybody, and welcome back to Chap Chan. And today we're doing part 2 of our Pride Apparel. So let's dive in. Okay, so y'all might be wondering what is going on with this shirt. Yes, so I got a baseball tee. And decided what the front of it's gonna say is I'm the rainbow sheep of the family, but it's like rainbow unicorn. It's basically a unicorn sheep. Yeah, it'll all turn good. It'll all be fine. Yeah. Now let's see. I'm gonna put this right in probably the center of the shirt right here. See how this turns out. Because I'm using this as a stencil right now. Now hopefully this comes out the way I need it to. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start off with some glow in the dark. I'm gonna do the horn, the eyes, and this one little ear right here. Hopefully it'll turn out good. So, yeah. Okay, so I did some things off camera. I kind of etched out what the design's supposed to look like of the sheep, but now we're going to do the feet, and the feet are going to be purple to finish off the whole rainbow, right? See, so far it's coming together. Now, just gotta etch out the lines a little bit finer, so that when I'm doing it, I'm not really too picky or care about it that you know, it's like the paint is going out a little more. That's no big deal. Because when you line it all up, you know, it's supposed to be fun, a little playful, little, you know, kind of blend the lines a little bit, right? You know, be open but closed at the same time. Oh Lord. So that's what it looks like so far. We're going to put the letters up top and then on the bottom, and then, you know, let's go from there. I think before we start with any of those, I'm going to get the lettering done, so let's get this tape off. Okay, so now time for the letters, and hopefully this will be easier to use because it's on a flat surface now instead of like how it was. I'm looking for I. Where's the E? I probably should have put smaller letters on it, but oh well. It is what it is right now. It is what it is. Ah. Then the E from last time. Make sure you press it all down. Here's pretty much the final product. I'm gonna have to do a couple things to it, really. But look at this. Hopefully you can see that. Glows in the dark and kind of like a net pattern, because you know I'm a catch. But that's just besides the point. Yeah, but yeah. I'm the rainbow sheep of the family, or of my family. I lied. I definitely did a few more things to the shirt. Let me show you in this reveal, okay? Are you ready? Because I know I am. I mean, are you sure you're ready? Okay. Alright. So on the count of 3. 1, 2. So, what do you guys think? You like it? See, it all came together, didn't it? See? Look at that. Got the feathers, this, that. If I step back, you can see my shorts and my shoes. Yeah, I know. I feel good. I look good. Okay, it's super extra, but you gotta be extra. You know what I'm saying? So you can, like, you know, be extra. I don't know. Just insert music dance party here. Pride. Ah! Final look. Thank you so much for joining me on this little adventure of making my own pride stuff. You know, I honestly I'm really digging it. I'm really digging the shirt. I know the feathers are super extra, but hey, you gotta be a little extra, right? And in case you know, don't get what this is, this says, I'm the rainbow sheep of my family, so yeah. Tell me how you like my outfit in the comments below. And if you haven't seen part 1 of this video, or this little mini series or whatever, go check it out in one of the links below. Or not even the links below. Click on one of the boxes, okay? Anyway, thank you so much for joining me on this happy hump day. Remember, be proud of who you are, because I know I am. Alrighty, bye guys!